Hello everyone, welcome to my channel AWS Solutions Hub. Today I'm back with new video and new feature which is recently released from AWS, and this is a very relieving feature for all of us as developers. Yes, as we can read it on slide, finally we can have multiple sessions in a same browser. No more logging in and out repeatedly. Consider this as a 2025 New Year gift from AWS. We can understand the pain point of using multiple browsers to manage the multiple sessions. At sometimes it gets very frustrating to manage these multiple sessions, and that too on different browsers. There was no any native solution from AWS to manage multiple sessions, but we have now. Let's understand how it works. And before we move to the practical, or before I show you to how to enable the multiple sessions, there are some key features I have highlighted here. First, concurrent sessions. Yes, that is the when I said the developers face the pain point, and this was the pain point of managing the sessions concurrently. So you can now have 5 different AWS identities. I mean, you can log into one IAM, one root, or one federated role, or 5 all different, IAM users, 5 different IAM root accounts. You can have combination of IAM root or federated roles, but you can have maximum 5 different AWS sessions in same browser. Separate console instances. Each session runs in its own tab, maintaining session isolation. Yes, for example, in one tab you can have IAM user session. In another tab you can have the root account session. Okay, so separate console instances, unique subdomains. Each session has a distinct URL for better organization and security. Yes, every URL in every session is different from the other tab. So managing of the sessions and domains from a organization and security perspective is also managed from AWS. Okay, so with that, let's jump to our practical session where I'll show you how to do that. Okay, I have already logged into my root account. This is my root account. Okay, and I have already created one user. Okay, this is the user I created in one of my last exercises. So what I will do is I will try to open 2 sessions in same browser window, one with root user and one with the admin user. Okay, so what you need to do, so there is an option enabled here, says turn on multi-session support. Okay, so let's click on that. You get a pop-up here saying AWS supports logging into multiple root IAM federated roles in different accounts or in the same account in the same browser, which I explained in my presentation. The one of the bullet points was the concurrent sessions. It is talking about the same thing. You can logging into multiple root IAM or federated roles, combination of these three in different accounts or the same account in the same browser. There is a little bit warning here given by AWS, since every tab has its own session new URL. Okay, you need to be sure that all subdomains under aws.com you are able to access all subdomains under aws.amazon.com before you enable the multiple session support. This might be problem if you have customized any URL for your AWS. Uh, I mean, any URL which doesn't support this domain will have a problem, but in most of the cases this will work for us. Okay, so let's turn on multi-session support. I'm clicking on this, and you can see there will be a change in URL. Okay, so you can see the URL has changed something else from the previous one. It is now showing my account ID with some random letters, and at the end it says aws.amazon.com. Okay, and you can see it is representing here, this is my root account. Okay, everything is same. So this is my root account, it is indicating here. Now I want to log in to my admin user in same account, same browser. Okay, I don't have any other account, so I won't be able to log in into different account, but I'm logging into same account with different username. If this feature was not there, I would have logged into in some other browser or in the same browser, but with a private or a cognito window, I would have opened it. But since there is a feature which allows me to open in same browser, I don't need to open any other browser. So let's try and see how it works. So I'll come here, I will say add session. Okay, since I have to log in to my username admin, okay, which is user in my account, so I will try to get the account ID since it is in the same account. Okay, the username is admin. I have already stored the password in system, so I'll sign in, and you can see I'm into another tab in same browser. Okay, with different URL. If you look at the URL for here, the root account URL is different, the admin user URL is different. I'm managing now two different sessions in same browser. How I can differentiate whether this is admin or root, which I have already explained. In corner you can see there is root, which means this is root account. Here I see admin, which means this is admin account. Okay, now if you want to see how many sessions are open, right now I have two, but in real time situations there can be many. And if you want to switch between the sessions, you can do that. If I just click on this, I can go back to that session again. Okay, so I'm into root account. Okay, then what else? I can turn off this feature again, and I can work on I can work the similar old ways where I have to manage the multiple browsers. But I personally feel this is very helpful feature that AWS has released this year. Okay, you can sign out from all active sessions at one time. Okay. So that's it from this video. I hope, though this is a short video, but this is very helpful. And now our one of our pain points is already gone. I'm personally I'm very happy to see this feature. Going forward, definitely you can see me using this feature more and more. With that, I conclude this video and see you in the next video. Thank you.